How to add paid partnership to Instagram story. Let's begin with the video. To start off, open the Instagram app on your phone. Next, tap the plus button at the top left to open the story camera. Now create your story by taking a photo or uploading the media from your gallery. After you are happy with your story, tap the sticker icon at the top of the screen. You'll look for the paid partnership option and select it. If you don't see the paid partnership sticker, it means the feature might not be available on your account yet. In that case, go back to your profile and tap the three horizontal lines at the top right. Then scroll down and select Help. Then choose Report or Problem option. When contacting the Instagram support team, explain your problem briefly. Finally, submit your request and wait for the Instagram response. Once the feature is enabled on your account, you can add the paid partnership sticker, and that's it. This is how to add paid partnership to Instagram story.